Hi everybody, Sean the Gardener. Well, the dahlias are out. All the onions are out the greenhouse now, they just got to be planted up. They're looking a bit flat there, but I'm confident that they'll pick up like the Onionsets have. Onionsets are picking up very good. Taking a chance with these. I've pinched out some of the tops. Not expecting any frost now. It's May, so we'll wait and see what happens. I think that's one that I pinched out, I'm not sure. I'll let that one go a minute. Yeah, I've pinched out the tops here. I've still got more in the greenhouse. This one here, and this one were at my friend's, my old buddy that died. I dug them at the garden. They look a different type, like a bush type. But also I've planted one of his in there. That should be the pink spiky one. But I'm just wondering if it's a bit close to my onions really. But I think I'll get over it. On another note, I'm going to have to put some of these into, there's two different tubers in there, put some of these into these pots, these big pots, because in the future we'll be moving house, so I want to take all the me dahlias with me. We'll be moving up country, so yeah. Onion, the shallots are looking nice. Onionsets are really bucking up. They have. They've started to shed their brown skins as well. Well, I'm happy with that. That's just happened over the last couple of days here. This rain has done that. Potatoes. Yeah, so I'll be taking all my dahlias with me. And obviously when the ranunculus are finished, they all get multiplied and separated. I'll be taking them as well, I think. Some of them are nearly flowering over there. Carrots. Yeah, carrots are going terrific. Still a few more to thin out, but this is the second lot here. Definitely going to grow these in the future again. These glass covers will come off very soon because they look like they're getting a bit overgrown inside there. See, they've all come up, even the last ones I've put in, look, even in that far row. We'll have a look inside the greenhouse to see what we've got left in there. Not a lot. Parsnips I'm not happy with this year. I got one there, one there. Nothing else coming as yet. I put several in here. Those are going alright as well. The carrots there. Nothing's eating them either, which I'm happy about. So we'll have a look into the greenhouse. There's my friend's, that was the big clod that I couldn't break up. I've left that in its pot where it was. I'll put it back in its pot. That's a decent sized dahlia. But yeah, it's raining again now. Our water butts are full and overflowing. So I can't take no more water here. I had a rat in here earlier on, but it seems to... I watched it go out, so yeah, these are the other, a few more dahlias. All these will be going wherever we go to live. These are the ones I bought recently, they're all going there. rhubarb and custard there. I'm glad to see that one there sprouting. That's done that the last few days. What's that one there? Boom Boom White. I'm going to have to revert to plastic, I think, so I'll lose the name on that otherwise. Brown sugar there. What's that one there? Sandra? Sandre? And that's a cutting that I don't know what it is, but it's one of the cuttings I took. Seems to have taken alright, but it's looking a bit rough ways. No green fly got on him. There's a lot of green fly in here. Sir Alf Ramsey's looking fairly good there. I'm going to have to spray him again. He's got a bit of green fly on him by the look of it. I paid a lot of money for that one. And there's one I don't know what it is. Another one I picked up in a sick bench just as a tuber out at Traeger Mills. A couple of little cuttings I took. It's a Go-Go White cutting that I took as well. That one's taken, but tomatoes looking fairly good. I'll get them into big buckets again. I didn't think I'd be able to do it, but there's just a few onion stragglers there. Kelsey. A few more dahlias. One of my mates, another little split off that big tuber. It's another one. I'll probably give that one away, I expect. So I'd like some of his dahlia to stay in Cornwall. Yeah, I might give him a little sprayer. Sir Alf Ramsey, there's a green flyer on him. Okay folks, that's it now. Greenhouse is looking bare, isn't it? Plenty of room to crack on here now. This one here I picked up a few days ago. Totally tangerine. That was on the half price bench, so I'm confident that that one will start sprouting in a few days. Right, bye for now folks.